Hey guys, it's recognition days. It's currently 5:44 AM. Kailangan kami sa church ng 7 AM pero may rehearsal namin for doxology ngayong araw. Hard-working performers.
Sumayo pala sila doon. Gawin natin ng step. Yung ganun, yung combi. Hindi natin ako video. Ay, na. Kunwari MV. Hi guys, kakatapos na mag-rehearsal and mag-mimisa pa tapos tingnan mo na itsura namin. Hi guys, we're back.
Waiting, say hi.
Nakikita ko sa vlog ko guys.
Guys,
Uwi muna
hi
kami
guys,
guys.
at kami ay malakad.
Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely. I know.
Yung ano na ako, yung
Guys,
ganun.
this is it.
Oh, yung ganun. Basta gitna ako. Pre, pagkatapos ng posing. Pagkatapos ng posing.
Ay, man.
Yung ganun na. Pangatlong ano yun. Tapos, yung ano na.
What?
Yung palit na yung solo na ako, tapos bumuha na ganyan.
Mag-start na kami guys. Ganda ng makeup ko ngayon.
Last
Ganyan yung makeup mo dati.
Last perform.
Yung mukha mo dati.
Bakit ang bumukha ko ngayon?
Iba no? Oo nga, ganyan yung mukha mo nung first day. Hey! Parang babaeng-babae ka pa, ganyan. Mamatay pa dahil.
Here guys.
Today, our guys have a strong, loyal leader who will give an inspiring message.
Yan, nakahanap na siya ng kalaro niya.
Cheers to SGA admin, faculty, and staffs. Cheers to another year of nurturing and developing exceptionally gifted and versatile students.
On me in this moment now, capture it, remember it. Go, go, Power Rangers! Go, go, Power Rangers! You bastards! Star World! Star World! Star World! Star World! Star World!
This dream is the feelings we were real through
I've never felt more alone. Feels so scary getting old. This dream isn't feeling sweet. We're reeling through the midnight streets, and I've never felt more alone. Feels so scary getting old. It's not enough to